Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset end-to-end encrypt chat pin code on Messenger. So first of all, open your Messenger apps. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Simply look at the left side, tap onto three line, click onto setting option, scroll down, click on privacy and safety, selecting this, click on message storage, and here we can show here to reset pin option. Click on to reset pin and put your password, type here to again. Okay, now done. So that's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more videos.